This is my TV, and I'm the kind of guy that wants to make anything kind of better. Alrighty. Well, my idea was I needed a way to power my soldering gun that I made. All you gotta do to make these is just go on YouTube. Anyways, I made it so I can just plug it straight in the back of my TV, and it'll power my soldering gun off the 12-volt adapter that's inside this thing. Alright, I'll show you. Alrighty. Alright. Now it's getting power. You see it turning red? That's exactly what I wanted to do. That means I can solder with it. And as you can tell, my TV is still working. Alrighty. That's another one for you.